Namaskar, class 9th. So, in the continuation of cell organelles, we are reached to Golgi apparatus as well as lysosomes. So, today we will discuss about these two cell organelles. Okay. So, for the revision purpose, I would like to show you the exact positions of Golgi apparatus and lysosomes in animal cell. So, as you can see the diagram of animal cell here, this is the Golgi apparatus part. So these are the membrane bound structures are known as Golgi apparatus, which are very near to the endoplasmic reticulum and the nucleus of the cell. And we are having the lysosomes. Lysosomes are a small membrane bound particles like structures, which are dot like structures, I can say, which are having strong hydrolytic enzymes in it. Okay, in detail we will study now. So this is the exact location in animal cell. Now this is Golgi bodies. Okay, so these Golgi bodies are present very near to the nucleus, and they are membrane bounded bodies which are present in eukaryotic cells. So they are having a series of cisternae, which are membrane folds actually, which are having cis and trans in the structures. So it is located in the cytoplasm next to the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and it is very close to the nucleus of the cell, because the transportation will take place easily. Now the importance is it transport the proteins and lipids. It also packages the proteins in a vesicle forms and allow them to move from one part of the cell to the another part of the cell. So this is the function of the Golgi apparatus and how it looks like. This through this thing I have explained. Now Golgi apparatus are also known as a post office of the cell. Why post office? Because their function is to transport, right? So here this is the structure of Golgi apparatus, and it consists important materials. So it is known as cisternae, cis cisternae, and the medial part is known as trans cisternae. Okay, and the last part is known as trans Golgi. So it has three important parts. So these are the proteins which are present in the endoplasmic reticulum. They just transfer from the endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus in a form of vesicles. Vesicles are the small drop-like structures, and they enter inside the Golgi apparatus. Here, the actual packaging of the protein, lipids, everything takes place with the help of different types of enzymes, and then with the help of the important Golgi enzymes, and then with the help of these enzymes, they undergo hydrolysis process, and these proteins will then transfer to the different parts of the cell, right? So this is the actual importance and function of Golgi apparatus. Like this, they will come one by one, then move to the medial part of the Golgi apparatus, and then through the trans site, they all transported to the various site of the cells. Okay, you can see this is the actual structure of the Golgi apparatus, and these are the cisternae folds, cis phase, and this is the trans phase. As through the video I explained this clearly. Golgi apparatus is also known as the Golgi complex, Golgi bodies, or simply Golgi. It is an organelle found in most of the eukaryotic cells and a part of endomembrane system in the cytoplasm. It packages proteins into membrane-bound vesicles inside the cell before the vesicles are sent to their destination. So these types of packaging is very, very important, because inside the cytoplasm there are different types of other cell organelles as well as the enzymes are present. So it is very important for them proteins to protect in a package form. Okay, so make them in a bound them in a membrane. Okay, so another part is generally it is a particular importance in processing proteins for secretion containing a set of glycosylation enzymes. So as we saw in the video that some Golgi enzymes are attaching with the proteins which are coming inside the Golgi apparatus. So those enzymes are known as glycosylation enzymes because they facilitate the process called glycosylation. Okay, and then they just we attach the various sugar monomers. Monomers are the polymers, the smallest unit of polymer, to proteins as the protein move through the apparatus. Now simply we will not go much detail in this topic because this is not a part, the detail is not a part of our syllabus. So it was identified in 1897 by the Italian scientist Camillo Golgi, and he was named after him in 1898, and when he was investigating nervous system. So this scientist was working on the nervous system, nervous cell, and then accidentally he came to know about the Golgi apparatus. Okay, and he was awarded with the Nobel Prize also. And the subcellular localization of the Golgi apparatus varies from eukaryotes in mammals, and it is very located near to the cell nucleus, close to the centrosome, and it is in a tubular connections. Okay, so structure I already explained to you. I hope this Golgi apparatus part is clear. Let's discuss the lysosomes. Lysosomes are the membrane bound vesicles, and these lysosomes contains hydrolytic enzymes in it. Okay, they actually contains the nucleus, carbohydrates and proteins in them. So through the endoplasmic reticulum they form in a small vesicle form and transport to the Golgi bodies of the cell. These are the Golgi bodies of the cells. Okay, and then lysosomes arises through these Golgi bodies. So I hope the formation is clear to you. Now whenever any kind of a viruses, bacteria enters in the cell, inside the cell, so these lysosomes which are formed from the Golgi apparatus, they are having some hydrolytic enzymes which is very acidic in nature. So they are now going to mix with the phagosomes, which are the outer particles, and then these lysosomes fight with them and fuse or change their structure. So now these phagocytes are not going to affect the cell body. Okay, so lysosomes are actually useful in destruction purpose as well as save the cell from the harmful substances. So these are the important functions of the lysosome. So this is the simplest structure of the lysosome. As you can see, the lysosome is membrane bound structure. Okay, and it is having a lipid layer, okay, and inside it it is having hydrolytic enzymes mixture, and these lysosomes is a membrane bound cell organelle which contains the digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. So first of all, they break down the excessive cell part. They may also use to destroy the destroy the viruses, bacteria inside the cell, and if the cell is damaged beyond, they repair also. So lysosomes can help in the self destruction in the process. Matlab it undergoes self destruction also, which is known as cell death or apoptosis. Okay, apoptosis is a process in which lysosomes undergo death. Okay, the lysosome is a specific type of organelle which is very, very acidic, and it means that it has to protect the rest of the cell inside, which is present in the cell. So it also it is a membrane, it has a membrane which stores the digestive enzymes that require this acid. Low pH environment, these enzymes are known as hydrolytic enzymes, and they break down the large molecule into smaller molecules. So in short, I can say that lysosomes are very, very important part of the cell. Okay, because it functions different types of functions in the cell, protection as well as formation as well as destruction and all. So so the lysosome and Golgi apparatus, this part is completed now, and hope you have understood the topic through the video or through the write-up material. I will send you the write-up material in a PDF form very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.